Hey everyone, this is Fahim Faisal, and I'm back on Facebook Live after quite a lot of days. I didn't come to Facebook Live for a few days now, and today I'm going to share with you a little story from my life. I actually had a business, a bag shop, around 1 year ago, and I invested over $5,000 in that bag shop. So it's not an online business, it's an offline business. So I'm going to share my story with you today. If you are someone who is interested in online business, then you definitely need to watch this live because I'm going to share with you some valuable information from my life experience when I was an offline entrepreneur. You can say that. So watch this video, okay? If you are someone who is unwilling to invest in your online business, or someone who thinks like it's not necessary to invest in your online business, this video is specially for you. So let's get straight to the story today. Okay, I had a bag shop by the name Al Insa Bag House in my city, and it's a bag showroom. I sold different types of bags there. For example, school bags, college bags, travel bags. Hand purse and all types of bags I had there in the shop, and I invested a lot of money in that shop. Okay, I had to do marketing. I spent a lot of money on marketing. I rented a showroom, and I designed that showroom, and I brought bags from Dhaka, and I resell that in my shop. So I invested over $5,000 in that shop. All right, and the COVID thing happened, and I had to shut down my shop for 6 months. Okay, I shut it down for 6 months. After 6 months, most of my bags were, really saleable because they were not, I didn't open the shop for 6 months, so you know how the condition of the bags would be. So I actually lost over. Um, I actually lost over $2,000. In our currency, it's 1,60,000. I lost there because after the COVID things, I had to, let go of the business. So the point is this, okay? I didn't feel scared to invest $5,000 in that back shop. Why? Just because it's an offline business? Is this the reason? Most of us, we think this way. Okay, we do not feel scared to invest in an offline business, maybe any kind of offline business like reselling, anything. But when it comes to online business, I don't know why most of people, including me, we feel a little bit scared to invest. I wasted $5,000 in that back shop, and when it comes to like investing $500 or $1,000 in my online business, I give second thought on this. Okay, so why is this? uh, every business needs investment. It doesn't matter what business you are in. It will demand some types of investment. So if you are doing online business, that also it needs some kind of investment. Okay, you cannot just do it for free. But it takes very little amount of money, a very little amount to investment in online business other than offline business. Okay, you know let me ask you a question. How much money have you invested in your online business? Did you invest $1,000? I'm asking this question to you. Okay, have you invested $1,000 in your online business? If you did, then I would call you an online entrepreneur. Okay, and if you are someone like me, like the older me, when I was scared to invest in online business, then I can't really call you an online entrepreneur because you haven't invest anything. Okay, in your business, you have to have some kind of investment, and there must be risk. Otherwise, otherwise it's not a business. Okay, so my point today that I wanted to share with you guys today is that um, every business must have some kind of investment. Okay, I invested $5,000 in that bag shop, and I invested not even $1,000 in my online business. Okay, so if you are really serious about online business, do not feel scared to invest, because it takes very little amount of money, compared to an offline business. Okay, I invested $5,000, but it's nothing in that bag shop. But if I invest $1,000 in my online business, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, because online business doesn't need a huge amount of investment. Okay, so in this live I'm going to share with you some benefits of doing an online business. Okay, the first reason that I already shared with you. The first reason is low investment. Okay, you do not have to invest a lot of money in your online business. Okay, the second reason is you can be location independent. You can run your business from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are living. If you just have a smartphone or a laptop, you can operate and run your business from anywhere. Okay, this is the second benefit of having an online business. The third benefit is you can choose to work in your own time. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's evening or midnight or morning. You can work on your business anytime you want. Okay, in that back shop, uh, I had to go to my shop at 8 a.m. in the morning, and I had to stay there for like 11 p.m. So you can see I used to stay there in that business for like 14 to 15 hours a day. Okay, that's a huge amount of time. Okay, but in my online business, I don't have to um, I don't have like working limit, time limit. I don't have any time limit. I can work anytime. I can work in the midnight, I can work in the morning, evening. Doesn't matter when I'm working. So this is the third benefit of having an online business. And the fourth benefit of having an online business is you can simply make money even when you are sleeping. So when I shut down my back shop and come back to home, I cannot make money. I just don't make money. Why? Because the shop is shut it down. There is no customer, no selling, no money. But when I created an online business, created that system and launched it, it will be giving money. Doesn't matter whether I'm sleeping or not, because it's not here. It's it's a global business. It's on the internet. Okay, so it will be selling, even when I'm sleeping. Okay, so these are the benefits of having an online business. So before I go, I'd like to share with you again, for those who recently joined the live, the point today, the point or the objective of today's live is that I just wanted to share with you that I invested $5,000 in my back shop that I had, and I didn't feel scared to do that. Okay, but when it comes to online business, most people feel scared to invest even $1,000 or $500 in their online business. Why? Because it's on online business. Okay, that's why they feel scared. So don't feel scared. If you're interested in starting an online business, do it, invest in it. Okay, and treat it as a business. If you treat it as a real business, then you will definitely be successful and make a lot of money. Okay, the amount of money I made from my back shop, it was very limited. you know I'm sorry to say, but I have to be honest with you. I didn't make a lot of money from that back shop on a monthly basis. I made around, after giving all the expenses, around $200 profit in 1 month. Okay, but in online business there's really no limit. Okay, so so if you are someone who is interested in high ticket affiliate marketing, or someone who is interested in starting an online business, or learning organic Facebook marketing, I'm the guy whom you need. Okay, you need me, because I teach this. I teach how to step by step create an online business. I teach high ticket affiliate marketing. I teach how to do marketing organically on Facebook. So I will really, really be happy if you need any kind of help. Just give me a message. If you face any kind of problem with your online business, give me a message. I'd really, really love to help you out. Okay, so that's it for today's live. Um, if you watch the replay, give me hashtag replay so that I know who watch it later. Okay, that's it for today. Talk to you in my next live. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed. Take care.